Hello, my gardening family. Hope you are all well and in the best of health. I just want to give you a quick run through of the garden. I appreciate you all and thank you all so much for your love and support. See this banana pepper right here. I have a little sweet pepper right here, or bell pepper. I think this is a bell pepper. I think this is a hot pepper, maybe a West Indian pepper. This is a Scotch bonny pepper. You can see it has a little one on there, has some other blooms on there. And I have some zinnia inside here. This was a volunteer ginger. Looks like it's soon ready to be harvested. I have some more zinnia in there. And these are some turnips. This is a little lettuce right there. This is my green Malabar spinach right here. This pepper plant is confusing because this looks like a total different variety of pepper, and you can see on the same pepper tree it has a bell pepper or a sweet pepper and more coming out right there, so it's a little confusing right now. And this is a Scotch bonny pepper. It has a lot of little baby ones coming up, and it has a few ripe ones on there as well. These are some pak choys coming along very nicely, and inside here my red stem Malabar spinach. Look at here, looks so amazing, so pretty. And this has been growing like crazy. A lot of new growths in recent times. And I have a few beetroots inside that container as well. These are some onions, some beetroots. Alright, so let me come back around here. So these are my zinnias right there in that container. More pak choy again, pak choy, zinnias. And my banana peppers popping up nicely. Sweet peppers or bell peppers, cayenne pepper. My cayenne peppers are trickling down right now. More banana pepper popping up. Sweet pepper, bell pepper. Another sweet pepper, bell pepper. Hot pepper right there. Alright, so you can see right here my beautiful zinnias. I have a marigold right here. Zinnias, ginger, zinnias again. And this is a turmeric plant. Pumpkin patch right here that is growing out of the pavement. This is my other pumpkin patch right here. You can see my little pumpkin there coming up. I'm not sure if there are others. None is visible to me right now. And I have some corns inside here coming up. And these are scallions or green onions. I have sweet peppers, bell peppers, more scallions or green onions inside here. Now I have some zinnias that I'm trying to propagate. Yeah, they're not looking bad at all. Banana sucker coming up there. There's another one around there. And this banana plant doing its thing and looking lovely. I have some beetroots, some onions, two little tomato plants, more onions in the front right here. These are two pak choys, a few cabbages right here, more onions, string beans, and I got these running beans from my dad. I don't remember the name of the bean. And there's a West Indian pepper around there right there. These are the two plants I had in this bed for quite some time now. This is a eggplant and this is a broccoli. Let's see if they will do anything. This is another of my banana plant doing well. The bell pepper right here. And these are my, oh, this is my East India mango tree. I have a few zinnias inside here. And this is a soyulang cucumber. There's one right here. This is my avocado plant. It is doing far better than before, and I love its progress right now. This is another banana plant. This is my gungu or pigeon peas. A pepper tree right here filled with hands. I've got a few zinnias in here. This is my gooseberry. Has a lot going on right here. And these are my asparagus. Sugar canes, I haven't done anything to them as yet. Still need to get those sorted. This little orange on here from when I bought it as a grape tree, but it's officially a orange tree right now. So it just starts to change color to me, so I'm leaving it there and see what becomes of it. I did not see this at all. This is new to me right now. So this is blossom right here. As you can see, we discovered that together. So I'm looking to see if there are any more. No, but I'm seeing where the plant is actually putting on new growth. And which one is this? This is a tangerine. Yes, this is a tangerine tree. I hope it really is, because I bought this, like I said, as a grapefruit, and obviously it is not. So I really hope that this is a tangerine because I purchased both of them from the same person. And this is an orange tree, and it starts to put on new growth. You can see right there. Those are my sweet corns. They're not looking bad at all. I think this is a West Indian pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper plant. The scallaloo plant, I think I'm going to move it all together now. It has done its time. Sure has. And I need to sort out this grapevine. So it tumbled over the other day, and I just removed one layer of the trellis. I have inside here American apple plant that I got some time ago from Marie Flowers and Garden. That's Marie, yeah, over there in Manchester. I need to sort it out. I need to fix up this grapevine. You can see it is tilting over right now. My lemon plant, because I don't know if you remember, it was higher, but you can see the grapes on there. So I have some onions inside here. What is this? Weed. And I have zinnia inside here. I have zinnia over there in that bucket. I don't believe I've shown you. And this is my lemongrass or fever grass. Beside it right there is turmeric and ginger inside here. And I have some kale here. This is my the yard wants to cut, so everything just growing up. This is my French thyme. Some kale inside here. This is a sweet pepper, bell pepper. This is my panadol plant. Some more onions inside here. And you can see my June plum mature into fruits. I have some red callaloo and some zinnias right here. My 10 o'clock flowers below there. My zinnias right here. Thyme in that container, celery. I planted some parsley inside there, not seeing anything. That's my rosemary right there. More zinnias around there. These are some hot pepper, I think West Indian at the two ends, and scotch in the middle. Pink callaloo, more zinnias. These cayenne peppers, they're starting to trickle down. More zinnias, more zinnias. It's my leaf of life right here. Hot pepper, callaloo, bell pepper, broccoli, cabbages. I had to take off most of the leaves from around this one, and some from this one as well, because a lot of things was going on, aphids and stuff like that. Have some peppers inside here, have some little cabbages coming up inside here, and I have pepper, okras coming up inside here. This is a tomato again, black cherry I think. There's an onion, not onion, cucumber inside here, and this is my fig tree, and this is my raspberry tree. It has made a lot of progress, a lot of new growth, and beside it is my sweet up tree or sugar apple, and it has made a lot of progress as well. My eucalyptus plants has a lot going on inside this container. I need to clean it up. My grapevine, the first one, plant peanuts inside these containers, and I transplanted this marigold from somewhere over there. I put it here. I had some carrots inside here. You can see they're popping up. My burgundy okra. So let me back up a bit. So I have more red callaloo inside here, or red amaranth, and I have some scallions or green onions inside here. These are onions inside here as well, and cabbages, cantaloupe, have a little tomato right there, marigold, and cucumbers right here. I have thyme, celery, scotch bonnet pepper, basil, okra inside here. You know my fruit trees already. At the end right there is apple, then the cherry. Still haven't gotten rid of this papaya tree. Pear tomato plant inside there. Two zinnias, callaloo, green, red. Have some lettuce inside here, more zinnia. And to transplant those lettuce when they get a little bigger. This is my star fruit tree, my soursop tree, ackee tree, and beside it is my guava tree. I have more peppers right here, strawberries, zinnia, and a strawberry inside here. More strawberries right there. This is my mulberry plant, scotch bonnet pepper, white eggplant, cucumbers. I need to make my trellis for these cucumbers. The cayenne pepper. This is a West Indian pepper, more cucumber, bell pepper, hot pepper. This is a purple eggplant, cucumber, and this is my pomegranate tree. Banana that I transplanted. I've been meaning to cut off those leaves. I haven't done that as yet. You can see the yard is very bushy, a lot of grass since it rained and everything. So I am not particular to go in the grass, to be honest. So I haven't gotten around there. My sorority plant and my coconut tree. These are some bell peppers inside here. And my little tomatoes, they are popping up slowly but surely. Some of them didn't germinate, so it seems like I had some of the seeds too long. This is my other banana plant. You can see the two suckers that I showed you before. They're making nice progress. There's another little one coming up right there. This is one of my sweet potato patch. You can see it got out of hand, literally. And it's not going to get better for sure until the yard is cut. My pineapples, They are making nice progress around here, and the few corns that I have in there, you can see there's a lot of grass right there, bush, everything, with my yam vine right there. Inside here is melon. I need to fill these with some more soil to put some stuff in there. Still deciding what I'm going to put inside these two. Still have some onions inside here, and that's a volunteer corn, tomato, tomato again, tomato, potato patch. I'm going to check back in my videos to see how long I planted this. And to peep in the container to see if anything going on in there. This volunteer pumpkin gungo plant or pigeon peas. It's a male papaya. A scotch bonnet pepper. Passion fruit. My dragon fruit is still trying to give me fruits. Some cucumbers coming up right here. I'm going to do some transplanting. Those corns right there, you see they're looking a little lazy up. I transplanted them this morning. Plant deeper. That I really thought it was going to rain. That is why I went ahead with it. But they will bounce back. And I have some sorrels inside here. But because the place need weeding, you're not going to see them. Papaya that I transplanted. I said I'm going to put more watermelon right here. I transplanted some peppers that weren't doing well right here. So this is the only watermelon I've seen right here. My banana and plantains. Let's see what will become of them. The corns, they popped up. Around here never have so many things growing, But because the fertilizer is around here, man. And I have some string beans inside here as well. Like I said, the weeds, I need to get rid of them. I just wanted to give you a run through. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Walk good.